Hey, Rachel.
Here, you want this?
You wimp! Ah! He's putting us on a movie! Hey, where did Cal bring his love on a date?
Yeah, it's a hat.
To the movies!
Beat him up, Rachel.
Okay.
Getting beat up? I'm getting tired of getting beat up. Boy, this is boring.
Ouch!
You know what? You're going to have to take a fall. You know that?
No, I won't.
Yeah.
I refuse. No. No. Yeah, Amber's wet and she just went on my arm. Amber's wet.
She's wet from when you were asleep in the car, huh, Amber? It's okay. We'll change you up.
Here, I can go right up to you. Mama, can I please have a candy?
Yes, I have a special treat for you after you get beat up.
Mama.
Hey, here's one for the camera. You ready?
Yeah.
No!
Hold still a minute. Wait, I missed.
No.
Get her, Gary, get her.
He's
Look
not
at
gonna
the
do
wall.
it.
Look at the wall.
He ain't gonna do it.
Rachel, you know not to talk like that. Don't yell.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Who are we gonna give this tape to, Mama?
This is for us. Don't come too close so I can take your picture.
Oh, I
Not so loud, Rachel.
can't.
Go, hey guys, this is your mission. Go beat him up.
You big Wally.
Yeah, Rachel. Why'd you pick that down your own size?
Nope.
Ready for a break, guys? Ready for
Yeah.
some juice?
Yes, please.
Okay.
No.
Ready for some juice?
No.
You want some juice?
Nope.
You want to have some juice?
No.
Lay down on the floor, then. Let me ask you again. You want some juice?
No.
And
No. No.
Okay, then that's it, Gary. She doesn't get any. Wait a minute. We're going to have to force feed her some juice. Hello?
No.
Joy.
Hello.
I love you, honey.
I love you too.
Want some juice, Amber?
Yes, please.
Okay, why don't you
Yeah.
stand over there next to Gary and say goodbye?
No, not goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.